So we have a quadratic function here and we have to find the minimum value of this function. So when you plot this function, it will basically look somewhat like this. It will be a concave of parabola. How do we know that? We know that because here a is greater than 0. The quadratic function is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now if a is greater than 0, then it is a concave up parabola. If a is equal to 0, then it does not exist actually, it is a linear. And if a is less than 0, then it is a concave down parabola. Alright, so now for solving this problem, basically as you can see from this graph, the minimum value of this function will be here at this point, and this is known as the vertex of the parabola. So we have to find what x value corresponds to this this point, this minimum value, and we have to find that minimum value, which is f of x. So to do this, basically you might have got it by now. We have to find the slope at this point, or rather you know that the slope at this point is 0 because this is the lowest point in this graph of this function, and so the slope at this point is 0. So the slope is 0. And how do we get the slope of a function? We simply do the first derivative, f dash x. That gives us the slope of a function. Now at this point, the slope should be 0. So for that, we can write, so f dash x equals to 0. Now f dash of the given function is 2x minus 48 equals to 0. So x is equals to 48 by 2, which is 24. So this x minimum is 24. Now we have to find the corresponding y minimum. And how do we do that? We simply plug f of x minimum. Simply plug in x equals to 24 into f of x and find out. So f of 24 will be our required answer, and that is basically 24 square minus 48 into 24 plus 2304. So you can do this in your calculator, or if calculators are not allowed, you can manually do it, and the answer will come out as 1728. And that is the final answer. So thank you for watching.